Takeoff.
Well, good morning, everybody. This is Tom. I got the rope over the tree, so yay me. So I thought I might show what had ended up happening here. So I'm going to take this little drone up.
Home point updated.
For a flight. And let's see. That's the cottage over there. The Kiwi is right inside that window, inside the cottage. Kiwi receiver. Transmission line comes down there, goes underground with coax. Underneath that grapevine is a balun. I think it's 4-to-1. And a ladder line or window line takes over from there. Oops, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to move the camera up. There we go. And zoom in a little. You can see the window line under the eave there. It's all plastic. It doesn't seem to have an effect on the SWR. Goes and goes and goes and goes until it gets right to the edge here, and hopefully you can see this. And it goes zoom back out, that might help. Yeah. Yeah, there's the window line, maybe. Oh, I can't see it. Probably not pointed at it. Oh, I see. It won't let me go above. All right. Having trouble finding it. There it is. There's a feed point. Right here. And I can determine exactly how high it is. Not as high as I'd hoped. There's the feed point to the doublet. It's basically an inverted V, which I guess makes it a V. But eventually it's going to be a flat top. I can't do that though until I get some extra window line to splice in, because that's what's holding it down now. Should end up being at about 45 to 50 feet once it's done. Anyway, that's all. Thought you guys might be interested. 73 all from W5GFM. I'll get the hang of these controls someday. See you guys later.
Landing. Landing.
Darn it.